Did you know that something as small as a chia seed can change your life? It sounds crazy, right? I mean, how could something so tiny have such a big impact? But let me tell you, these little seeds are packed with nutrients and benefits that can truly transform your health and well-being. But it's true, these tiny seeds have completely transformed my health and well-being. From boosting my energy levels to improving my digestion, the benefits are endless. I never imagined that something so small could make such a big difference in my life. I'm so excited to share my chia seed journey with you. It's been an incredible experience, and I can't wait to tell you all about it. From the moment I started incorporating chia seeds into my diet, I noticed changes almost immediately. When I first heard about chia seeds, I was skeptical. I mean, how could something so tiny be so powerful? It seemed too good to be true. But the more I read about them, the more intrigued I became. How could something so tiny be so powerful? But I was curious. I wanted to see for myself if these little seeds could really live up to the hype. So I decided to give them a try. I started small, adding a spoonful to my morning smoothie. The first thing I noticed was how easy they were to incorporate into my daily routine. They didn't have a strong taste, so they blended perfectly with whatever I was eating. And let me tell you, I'm so glad I did. Not only did I start feeling more energetic, but my digestion improved, and I even noticed my skin looking healthier. It was like a domino effect of positive changes. In this essay, I'm going to reveal how chia seeds changed my life. I'll take you through my journey, from skepticism to becoming a true believer in the power of these tiny seeds. I'll share my personal experiences and the amazing benefits I've experienced. From increased energy levels to better digestion and even clearer skin, the changes have been remarkable. And it's not just me. Many people have experienced similar benefits. And trust me, you'll want to hear the special chia seed tip I have for you at the end. It's a simple trick that can maximize the benefits you get from chia seeds. So, are you ready to discover the power of chia seeds? Let's dive in. Together, we'll explore how these tiny seeds can make a big difference in your life, just like they did in mine. It all started with a smoothie. I had always been on the lookout for ways to improve my diet and overall health. One morning, I was looking for a healthy breakfast option that would keep me full and energized throughout the morning. I wanted something quick, easy, and nutritious. A friend suggested adding chia seeds to my smoothie. She raved about their benefits, saying they were packed with fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids. I was hesitant at first, but I decided to give it a try. I figured, why not? That's when everything changed. The moment I took my first sip, I noticed a difference. The chia seeds added a satisfying thickness to my smoothie. It felt more substantial, almost like a meal in itself. But more importantly, I felt full and satisfied for hours. No more mid-morning hunger pangs or energy crashes. I had so much energy throughout the day. I found myself more focused and productive at work, and even had the energy to exercise after. I knew I had stumbled upon something special. Chia seeds had become a game changer in my daily routine, transforming my mornings and boosting my overall well-being. I couldn't believe how such a small seed could have such a big impact. I had to learn more. So I started researching chia seeds, and I was amazed by what I discovered. Chia seeds are packed with nutrients. They're a great source of fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids. They also contain essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, and iron. It's no wonder they made me feel so incredibly good. Section 4. My chia seed secret weapon. Now, I want to share my secret weapon for incorporating chia seeds into my diet. Chia seeds are incredibly versatile and packed with nutrients, making them a fantastic addition to almost any meal. Are you ready for this? Chia seed pudding. This delightful treat is not only nutritious, but also incredibly easy to prepare. It's so easy to make and absolutely delicious. You can enjoy it as a breakfast, a snack, or even a dessert. Simply combine chia seeds with your favorite milk or yogurt and let them sit in the refrigerator overnight. The magic happens while you sleep. The chia seeds absorb the liquid and create a pudding-like texture. This transformation is what makes chia seed pudding so unique and enjoyable. Top it with your favorite fruits, nuts, or granola for a healthy and satisfying breakfast or snack. The possibilities are endless, and you can customize it to suit your taste preferences. Whether you prefer it with fresh berries, a drizzle of honey, or a sprinkle of cinnamon, chia seed pudding is a versatile and delicious way to enjoy the many benefits of chia seeds. Section 5. Join the chia seed revolution. My friends, I'm telling you, chia seeds are a game changer in the world of nutrition. They're a nutritional powerhouse that can transform your health and overall well-being. I encourage you to give them a try and experience the amazing benefits for yourself firsthand. What are your favorite ways to enjoy chia seeds in your meals? Share your thoughts and delicious recipes in the comments below.